Hey guys, want to touch base with you. I know it's been about 3 weeks since we've done a video. One of the main reasons for that is the DJI had to be sent back to the factory. I'm sure you've seen in some of our videos. Sometimes it was like shaking, vibrating. Um, we tried recalibrating it and everything. That didn't work. Talked to support. They're like, just send it in and try. They needed to look at it, and it's, I guess, a problem they haven't come across before. So they ended up replacing the camera. So that took a couple weeks. Um, Plus, I was sick again, and just didn't really feel like being on camera. So camera's back. I'm feeling a bit better. Um, this past weekend, we went to Yates Cider Mill, and that video is already on. But I am getting ready to release another video, and we're doing a comparison of Yates Cider Mill from autumn and summer, just to show the differences. I also have some footage dating all the way back to 1981 when I was little. So I'll throw a little bit of that in there, not a whole lot, because the quality of the video is pretty bad from 1981. There was no, you know, well, the cameras were what they were back then. Um, See, what else can I tell you? Tomorrow we're heading over to Children's Hospital again. Piper has an issue. I'm not going to really talk about it yet until we know exactly what's going on. So her doctor feels that we need to see a specialist. So we're heading back to Children's, and we're hoping that it's something that can be taken care of with just medication, but there could be surgery involved, and we're not looking forward to that. So we'll keep you updated on that. That might be more on Facebook or Instagram instead of actually doing a video on that. For people that are contacting me about RVs that are for sale, I am no longer with the RV dealership. You're more than welcome to still shop there. It is what it is. So don't contact me for whatever RVs are on. There's still some videos up from some of the units that I did video for on some of the higher end, nicer units. In 2 weeks, we're doing the Peppa Pig World. There's only 3 of them in the world, so we are privileged enough to have one only about 15 miles from here. So that should be an interesting video, and it's going to cover a bit more than that since it's at Great Lakes Crossing. We'll probably do like Pro Bass and a couple other shops there. That mall is really RV friendly. The parking lot's massive, and it is a pretty large mall. I think if I'm not mistaken, it's still the largest mall in Michigan. Not sure what else we'll do. We're gonna get some lunch, stuff like that. So that video will be out probably at the end of August. Not a whole lot of other things planned right now. Things aren't going the way we planned, which I guess that's life. So, but we are going to still try to at least release one video a week. There's little things that we have that we can do. Still looking at RVs. Found a couple more that we like, but right now we're not in a position where we're ready to jump into another one. So I'm going to say that this season we're not going to be RVing. Got some stuff for fall planned though, so don't think just because we don't have the RV we're going to stop our trips. We still have other things that planned. We're doing a Halloween hayride up in the Midland area. We did one last year with Betsy's side of the family, and it was a lot of fun. This year we plan on going back, so that'd be good. Piper's a bit older; she'll enjoy it more, and hopefully not fall asleep on the hayride. Well, the summer's flying by, and here it is already August, and seems like if I blink my eye, it's going to be September. So enjoy your summer while it's still here, and until next time, we'll talk to you then. And happy trails.